Hi, in today's video we are going to be making this very simple to make cherry tree blossom for some Japanese art that you can do with the kids. Very simple to make. Let's crack on with it. Okay, right, so to make our blossom tree you're going to need some card, some random sticks, strips of coloured card for the border, different coloured tissue paper. I'm using various colours of reds and pinks, glue stick, PVA glue and some tape. We're going to first start off with our border first, so we're going to stick our strips on. There we have our border. Now we're going to stick our sticks on. Position them how you want. If you need to, you may just trim some bits down. Once you've got it kind of looking like a tree, get your tape and we'll tape that down. Once you have that, get your PVA glue. Then you want to get your tissue, scrunch it up into tiny little balls and then just take it and just place it into your paper. Vary your colours. Doesn't matter the size of them. And continue this all the way through. Okay, as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm taking some of the bigger ones out and just making them a little bit more smaller, so we can fit quite a few on, plus they look a little bit more neat. I'm going to vary the sizes of them, but they're quite nice with them being quite small as well. So roll the tissues into tiny little balls there, like what I've done. just taking off all the ones that I have done and just ripping them up again and just making them a little bit more smaller. And there we have it, a cherry blossom tree made with sticks and tissue paper. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.